Hello, my name is Alexander Roy, and my company is called Aero Camera Mounts. I developed this idea my senior year of high school while interning in Mustang Aeronautics, a small home-built aircraft company. The product is a camera mount for general aviation aircraft that places the camera on the tip of the rudder for a beautiful wingtip-to-wingtip view of your aircraft in flight. The camera mount fits in place the aircraft's removable rudder tip and holds a GoPro session camera. With some simple modifications to my CAD model, I can make the mount fit any aircraft with a removable rudder tip. My prototype is 3D printed in PLA and has been on this aircraft since 2018 and has flown across the country multiple times without issue. The Aerotail camera mount gives aircraft owners the ability to capture their flights in a way never experienced before, in an almost third-person view. This could be an extremely helpful tool for flight schools to review flights with students and record examples of maneuvers for students to review. Aircraft manufacturers can also utilize this mounting system to create quick promotional footage, showing potential customers the experience of flying their aircraft. Additionally, this can be done at a fraction of the cost of other aviation camera mounts. If mass-produced, this camera mount could be injection molded. For more individualized applications or less common aircraft, 3D printing could be utilized. Get ready to relive your flights like never before with an Aerotail camera mount.